More than 80% people remain stuck where they are by strongly believing that they're there because they didn't go to a good school. They don't know how to speak good English. In their childhood, they had limited money in their family. They're living in a bad economy, in a small city, in a not so glamorous country. The fact is that out of 400 billionaires on the Forbes list, 70.5% are self-made. They had nothing to keep and nothing to throw out. Education nil, money nil, economy declining, and yet 70.5% people self-made. Hi, I am Seema Choudhri, success expert and a self-confidence specialist. And my research points out to three big qualities that are common to all of these. Number one, that they have a strongly cemented self-concept. They have complete clarity about their ideal self, their self-image, and their self-esteem. To know more about this, check out this video. Number two, they've conquered the fear of failing and self-doubt. And they have complete confidence in their unique idea. They not only have complete confidence, but they know their excellent implementation skills. Because ideas are great, but people fail to implement them when the real groundwork comes. When you're boots in and you need a lot of leadership qualities to manage a team. Number three, all have highly developed power of speaking. It is this skill through which they could effectively persuade, negotiate, and convince others. They could speak out and speak up clearly in every interaction. And this would just enable them a flow of opportunities and possibilities that would make them reach where they are today. Now, all of these three, self-concept, fear of failing, and speaking, are so necessary to be mastered. So gain complete mastery over your self-confidence and be ready to fail. In fact, start enjoying failure and look at every failure as an opportunity for more success and more progress, as an opportunity to learn something new and change yourself. After failing hundreds of times, could Edison make the bulb? And finally, work upon your speaking skills. Learn the power to speak on feet and speak effectively. And remain connected to this channel so that you get updates about my free workshops where I share my EPL formula, my 3C strategy, and those instant do's to become self-confident and excellent in speaking. Thanks so much for watching. You were glued to Seema Choudhri's Success channel. Like, share, and subscribe to keep becoming a better you.